Decline the seat when I want it. Give you a set of keys cause you want it. Pull up on me.
Hey Lovebugs, and welcome back to my channel. First things first, before we get started, if you are a first-time visitor here to the congregation, hello, my name is Mary and this is my channel. And to my oldie but goodie Lovebugs, welcome back. So yes, here we are yet again. If you're seeing this video, this means this is yet another wig review. I'm telling y'all, I'm out here doing the Lord's work for y'all. I'm getting these wigs and wearing them so you don't have to. I'm letting you know what is worth your money, because a lot of these people are going out here buying wigs and they are not what they advertise, okay? They advertising, silky, smooth, luxurious hair, and they are getting the doll of Chucky. Not the doll Chucky, but they're getting Chucky wigs, okay? Very much Tyler Perry. That's not cute and that's not right. So I'm trying to help y'all out. Anywho's, so today's wig is from IC Hair. I know that I did do a review on another IC Hair wig, but that was IC Hair Amazon. These are two different companies. So this is IC Hair Beauty. And this wig is not sponsored. This wig I actually did buy on my own with my own money. So today's wig is a bob. Yes, bob. I'm out here doing the work for the short hair girlies, the girlies who like bob wigs. Now, I've said many times before on this channel, I am a 22, 24, 26, 28 girly. I like the long locks, but from time to time, I do like to switch it up and, do a bob. So that's what we have here today. So let's just get into it. First things first, packaging. I love the packaging. This is how it came. Okay, that was rude. Sorry about the outside noise. So this is how the packaging came when I took it out of the mailer. It came in this bag, just like this. So I love, it's giving boutique vibes. So I do love that. I also do love the color because I love the color pink. But when you take it out of this bag, this is the box. This is how it comes. It has the logo, IC Hair Princess Luxury Hair Collection. And then upon opening the box, I really love this packaging. It's so luxurious. It has this paper, and then you get the wig. So this is the wig. It then also comes with a bag that you can store the wig in. And then it also comes with ways to get coupons and also just how to take care of the wig, recommendations, warranties, stuff like that. And then also it has their contact information. So it has an email address, a WhatsApp number, and then their actual website. And then you can also use this for QR codes for their Instagram, for TikTok, and then they have a YouTube and they have a Facebook channel. So in the actual bag, there are goodies. So let's open this up and see what is inside. So it comes with a sleeping mask that says Princess. Love that for me. It also comes with a band. It comes with an HD wig cap. Let's see. Also comes with eyelashes. Look. Okay. These are a little, okay. Some of them are a little funky. Oh, it's different types. Okay. Because some of them are a little too funky for me, but I like that. And then it comes with a bonnet that also says Princess. I love me a good bonnet. Okay. And then last but not least, it comes with a brush comb for your edges if you want to do baby hairs. Y'all know baby hairs is not my ministry. That's not the river in the lake that I stick to. I don't do baby hairs. It's not for me. But anywho, so let's get into the deets of this wig. So this is hold on, let me just remove this stuff. So this is a 10-inch glueless bob wig. It's supposed to be wear and go. It already comes pre-cut, pre-plucked. It's HD laced. I do not have the density of this wig. I want to say that this is 180 density. Let me see if it'll tell me on this card. It doesn't. Okay. I want to say it's 180 density. If it is anything different, I will have the details down below in the description bar. But it is a straight wig. It is Brazilian hair, and it is a closure wig. I believe the closure is a 4x4 closure. So yes, it does come with an adjustable strap. Just gonna take all this stuff off so we can get into it. Yikes. Okay. So this is the wig. This is it. It is very much Bobiana. And then I'm just gonna put it up to my hand so you can see how the lace looks. If I can get the band out the way, you can see how the lace looks against my skin. And then this is the lace on its own. Okay, so this wig retails at $125.65. I did use a discount code for this. What the discount code is, I do not remember because they change these discount codes every single day. I tried to look at my emails to see if I could find the code that I used, but I could not find it. So I did use a code and it did give me a discount of $25. I'm sorry, no, the original price was $128.65. My discount was $25.65. So I paid a total of $102.60 for this wig. Shipping was very fast. It shipped within 3 business days and it was sent via DHL. So I got this wig very quickly. So now that I've given you guys all the deets on the wig, let's try this wig on and see what it's given for. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this wig off. Put that on my bed. Okay. So this is how it just looks straight out the pack. So we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna adjust the band in the back. No, it's too small. I mean, my head tiny, but it ain't that tiny. All right. Okay. Okay. So this was given straight out the pack. Definitely would need to just flat iron the back so that it doesn't look Wanda-ish. If you know, you know. But I like it. This definitely looks very natural. Like it does have the potential to look like it could be my own hair. Of course, right now we're very clockable because the lace is not matching my skin. But I can see the potential. I definitely can see the potential with this wig. So I'm going to go off camera and put some foundation on and just adjust the hairline. So this way it does match my skin tone and I will be right back. Okay, love bugs. So I am back. I have cut the lace and put some foundation, a little bit of concealer in the part, and I bumped the ends. Baby, the bob is bobbing. Okay? The bob is bobbing. You better go out and get you one of these because, baby, all right, I messed up, but come on. Come on. You can't tell me this not my hair. It's giving real hair realness. It's giving Bobiana tease. It's giving real hair tease. It's giving what needs to be give, okay? This is the way you need in your life. If you know, because, you know, people, the girls who have bobs, that means they're about their business. They get things done, okay? Stiff wear. Stiff wear. This hair is very soft. You know, it's not too shiny. It's just right. It's giving scalp realness. Like, go out and get you one. Go out and get you one ASAP. So I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Come on. Like, it's really giving what it needs to be gave. I see hair understood the assignment. Like, come on, this bob is bobbing. Stiff wear. Come on, Bob. Yes, so that's gonna wrap it up. Oh, not me covering the mic. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Again, I will leave the link for this wig down in the description bar below if you are interested in this wig, or if you just want to see what other wigs that I See Hair Beauty offers on their site. I will have the link down below. But once again, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you have made it this far, please be sure to like, comment, and most important, subscribe. Because sis, if you're not subscribed, then what are we doing? But please be sure to do those things. Also be sure to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend all about my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and until next time, mwah, later, love bugs.
Pull up on me. I just recline the seat when I want it. Give you a set of keys 'cause you